Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video. So, are you tired of forehead pains ruining your day? Are you tired of constant headache? Are you tired of severe headache? Today, I'll be sharing with you a simple and natural remedy to help alleviate the discomfort, and it has been a lifesaver for many. And also, we'll be looking at some of the causes of this headache and how to use this simple and natural remedy to treat your constant headache. So if it is something that interests you, keep on watching. And the only way you can support me is to like this video, click on the subscription button and turn on your post notification bell. Thank you. So without wasting time, let's dive in into this video. So some of the causes of headache are tension and stress. Tight muscles in the neck, scalp, and shoulder can lead to tension headache. So you have to stress yourself less. Then number two is dehydration. Not drinking enough water can cause dehydration headache. That means you have to stay hydrated always. You have to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day, and you have to stay hydrated always. And number three is lack of sleep. Insomnia can trigger headache if you don't have quality sleep. If you don't sleep, then it might lead to headache. Then number four, so you have to be sleeping very well. Sleep very well. It is good to relax. It is good to have a quality sleep. Sleep very well. Then number four is high strain. Prolonged screen time, reading, or other activities that strain the eyes can cause headache. Then number five is allergics or cold. Allergies or cold can lead to sinus headache. And the sixth one is medication overuse. Overusing pain medications can lead to rebound headache. Too much of pain relief can trigger or lead to rebound headache. So that's some of the causes of headache. There are more, but we just pick few and common causes of headache and how to get rid of these forehead pains and constant headache is for you to get your shining bush. There are two things you are going to do. Get your shining bush enough. Some parts will be for tea and the rest will be for to rub on your forehead. So get your shining bush. You use your hand to crush it. Once the water is coming out or the juice, anyhow, once it is coming out, you use it to rub on your forehead where you are having the pains. Rub it on your forehead and leave it for like 30 minutes or more, except you are stepping out. But if you are not stepping out and you are indoors, just leave it there for 30 minutes or more, or 30 to 45 minutes. Then after that, the next thing you are going to do is that you get part of the shining bush leaf, wash it very well, rinse it like twice or more, rinse it very very well. Then you can use your boiling kettle, you can use your boiling pot, whatever you want to use in boiling your tea. Then you put your shining bush leaf inside, then add your water to it, boil it for 5 minutes. Then after that, you turn off your heat and allow your tea to cold. Then once it is cold, you now strain it and have your tea. After having your tea, just have a good rest. Just sleep for a while. When you wake up, you see that the pains, the forehead pains, the headache will be gone, or it will be relieved, or it will be gone. So guys, that's a simple remedy on how to treat constant headache, on how to treat severe headache, or how to treat forehead pains. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next video.